Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to activate Kwik Trip gift card. When it comes to activating your Kwik Trip gift card, you don't actually need to activate a Kwik Trip gift card to use it. Kwik Trip gift cards are activated upon purchase at the store. So if you receive the gift card directly from a Kwik Trip store, it's already ready to use. Before using your gift card, if you want to check your balance, then you'll first need to go ahead and log into your Kwik Rewards account and then scroll all the way down from the main home page. Now click on the gift cards option and click the continue button right under check card balance. Now enter your gift card number in the text box and then enter the PIN that is available on your gift card, which is usually 4 digits long. Finally, click on I'm not a robot and click on check balance. So that is how you will be able to know if you can activate your Kwik Trip gift card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.